Hey everyone, welcome back to The Big Investment. Today we're diving into some amazing money-saving hacks that can transform your daily habits and help you save more without sacrificing your lifestyle. Let's get started. Saving money doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Sometimes it's all about making small changes to your daily routine. Here are my top 5 money-saving hacks. First up, meal prepping. Spending a little time each week to plan and prepare your meals can save you both time and money. Instead of buying lunch every day, you can enjoy delicious homemade meals. Plus, it reduces food waste. Try setting aside a few hours on the weekend to prep your meals for the week. You'll be amazed at how much you save. Next is using public transportation. If you have access to buses or trains, consider making the switch. It's often cheaper than driving, and you can use that time to read, catch up on podcasts, or just relax. Plus, you're helping the environment too. Just make sure to check for monthly passes that can save you even more. Hack number 3, create a shopping list and stick to it. Impulse buying can quickly drain your wallet. Before you head to the store, plan out your meals for the week and make a list of the ingredients you need. Trust me, your bank account will thank you. Fourth is DIY home repairs. Before you call a professional, check if you can tackle small repairs yourself. There are tons of tutorials online for everything from fixing leaky faucets to patching up walls. Learning these skills can save you a ton on labor costs. And finally, unsubscribe from unwanted services. Take a look at your subscriptions, streaming services, magazines, apps. Do you really use them all? Cancel anything you don't need, and you'll be surprised at how much you save each month. As I was saying, it's like finding free money. So there you have it. 5 simple money-saving hacks to transform your daily habits. I challenge you to pick one hack to try this week. Let me know in the comments which one you choose and how it goes. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's all save some money together. Until next time, take care.